Oh, we got an exciting show today. Garmin Joba. What do we have here? A surprise for me. Everybody loves an unboxing. This is going to be a viral video. I can tell for sure. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up, see what's in here, see if you can guess before I open it. Got some tools. Let's get going. I've been out on the yard all day, cutting vines. Down inside, it's dark out. You can see what's in my package here. How long this is going to take. We got it pretty good. Exciting. Oh, here we go. Something's happening. Making some progress. Part of it. Alright, now what? Put the butter wrap on here. What I did. See if I can save some of it. So, what happened is I was on the internet and there's an auction. I found an auction in Georgia. I'm in Georgia. And this was up for auction, so I thought I'd try it. I put the first bid in. I didn't really expect I'd win it. But I won it. I kind of did it as a goof. But it's something I wanted. I was thinking about making this. And this is going to be much better because it's professional, but I won it. They shipped it to me, and it was a pretty good price, I think. I can't be sure. It's kind of a nice store. So they had more expensive things there. That's another reason I thought it was a pretty good price. You ready? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Can you believe it? Maybe not. Maybe so. Let's see if I can lift it. So maybe you can tell. I don't know. But problems with one of my legs are not doing too good here. Pretty happy about that. Hopefully. This out of the way. This is the back side. This is pretty good steel here. It's not even screwed in. Problem is, this leg over here, it's not screwed in very good. That's not good. All right, let's see if I can turn it around. My hands are dirty. Breaking the leg off. Quite heavy. There it is. Seems like it's steel legs here, but not screwed in. I gotta look at that. It's kind of hard. Kind of soft. Let's take a look. See what we can do. Oh, that's really hard on my ass. It's not as comfortable as I thought, but the idea is I'm gonna put this in the. I believe it will fit in the kitchen. So I have a, I don't know, better place. I wanted to have a kind of a booth type thing in the kitchen for eating. A little space here to put stuff. What else we got? Anything? No drawers. All right, it's pretty heavy. It's pretty solid except for this one leg. Let's see how I can fix it. So it's a piece of steel leg. Other than that, it's not too bad. It's a little hard on the ass, but it's kind of like a plastic material. I guess it'd be easy to wipe up for when you're eating. So there it is. Let me get back here a little bit. Like big unboxing. It's a little like a mini sofa, something I'm gonna use it in the kitchen. There's some noise outside. But there it is. Thanks for watching.